Same can be said about QQQ. All right? Here's QQQ, the NASDAQ. Basically, a major market index consisting a little bit more of tech-related things. That's pretty cool. It tends to outperform the S&P in both directions, as we were stating earlier. It was the first of the 4 major market indexes to be touching that support, and it's also gained the most since that June 17th price point. Great place to be. Highly recommend being in this one. If you had to pick between the 4, I would maybe be in the NASDAQ. Where are we expecting it to go? We're expecting to see a gain of over 88% of a major market indexes. Think about it, guys. Think of all the individual stocks you're holding. When this thing runs up 88%, how ballistically huge and massive do you think your individual stocks are going to be running up? That 100% can equate to 5x in your underlying. So 88, you could see underlyings run as much as 400% from their current. I'm just saying. Right now, currently projecting way up here, right here, 526. Did you want that represented in futures? We have that represented too. We track not only the indexes, but their related derivatives. This is their futures specifically. NQ1, exclamation point. Yeah, the futures we're expecting to run again 88%, exact same, because they are the exact same. That would be $21,680 on NASDAQ futures. That's where you want to be. The NASDAQ offers a dividend of 0.57%. It's all right. It's all right. Not bad. Not as much as like maybe IBM or something, but that's an individual company. That's not even a fair comparison. I'm just opening a window real quick. 1 second. Again, so this is the NASDAQ. We're displaying very similar patterns across all 4 of the major market indexes. As you can see, bouncing at that weekly 180. It's done at 1, 2. Again, it has to have the priors. 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. I'll mark it right now even. Here's another one. 2008. As you can see, it just goes tried and true. It's just how they move. Flawlessly ran through that weekly 20 moving average. Not an issue. Completely easy. Cut through like butter. No resistance. Again, mostly tech related. We have our RSI at the bottom here, swooping up. Touch the support right where we said it would. That late June area, rocketed right up. RSI pointing up. That is a bullish symbol. Now let's look at the RSI again in the historical price history. The NASDAQ, as well as the other 4 major market indexes, will go down. You have your entries, and then it'll run up. Up, and notice how it lingers up here. Up, and it's rising. It's rising, it's rising. The RSI is sticking here, it's rising. The RSI basically stays up for a very long time when these major market indexes go. Same can be said here. Same can be said right through here. You see that? The RSI will go down, touch support real quickly. It doesn't stay at the bottom very long, but what happens is it'll run right back up and it'll stay up. Isn't that an interesting little detail that happens with QQQ, SPY, Russell, Dow, all those? So that's something to keep in mind. Expecting the follow through all-time highs. And that's QQQ. Oh, shit.